So again, mail time by Mr. Ter. So we got a package from UPS. Tingnan natin. Let's check. Ooh, so protected. So box empty. Again with a card. So ingatan natin huwag ma-damage. Sino pa? Wow. A Panini Redemption. Ooh, nice one. We have a redemption card. A Marco Sasser Prism. Oh, pristine. Ang ganda. Hopefully gumaling si Sasser palalo.